In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Otter AI application on your Windows 10 computer for 2025. Otter AI is an incredibly powerful tool that can help with transcribing audio into text, among other features, which is super handy for professionals and students alike. So let's dive in and get you set up. To begin the installation process, the first step is to navigate to the official Otter AI website. Open your preferred web browser on your Windows 10 machine and type in the URL for Otter AI, or simply search for Otter AI in your search engine. This will take you to the home page of Otter AI, where you can find all the resources you'll need. Once you're on the site, look for a section labeled Learn How to Use Otter. This section will be a great resource if you're just getting started with Otter or if you want to refine your use of its features. Next, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your Otter account. Look for your account or profile icon at the top right of the page. If you see an email like trialuser090euros@gmail.com or your own email, you're good to go. Click on that email or profile icon to access the account menu. It's always important to ensure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Otter accounts, to avoid any confusion during the setup process. Once you're logged in, the next step is to download the desktop application. In the account menu, look for an option that says Download the desktop app. Clicking this link will begin the download process for the Otter AI application. Depending on your internet speed, this download should only take a few moments. While you wait, make sure your computer meets the necessary system requirements for the app. Typically, having the latest version of Windows 10 with regular updates should suffice. After the download is complete, find the installation file, which is usually in your computer's Downloads folder, and run it to begin the installation process. Windows may ask for your permission to make changes to your device. If it does, make sure to click Yes to continue. Follow the installation prompts, which will guide you step by step through the setup. Once installed, you can launch the application from your desktop. Now that the app is installed, it's time to set up any additional features you might need. Navigate to the Browser Extensions section from the Otter AI website. Here, you can enhance your experience by adding extensions that allow for more seamless integration with your browser. Click on Learn More to get detailed instructions on setting up these extensions. Follow the prompts to add them to your browser, and make sure they're enabled to ensure full functionality. And there you have it. With Otter AI now installed on your Windows 10 computer, you're all set to enjoy its powerful transcription capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy transcribing.